Hello, dear students. Myself, Kesavin Mishra. Today, I will teach you. I will solve exercise from class 8th SST Geography, Chapter 1, Resources. The previous part. This is my second part. In first part, I had solved short answers. Today I will solve B1. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन. अंतर करना है, आपको अंतर बताना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेल रिन्यूएबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज द डिफरेंसेस. रिन्यूएबल और नॉन रिन्यूएबल में क्या अंतर होता है आपको बताना है. रिन्यूएबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू एडवाइस यू दैट यू हैव टू ओपन योर कॉपी एंड पेन एंड बुक आल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन राइट. सो नंबर 1, what is called renewable and what is called non-renewable. Renewable means we can use again and again. Non-renewable means we can't use again and again. So write on your copy, write these are the natural resources. These are the natural resources which can be used again and again. जिसे हम बार बार प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल, दीज आर द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज These are the natural resources that cannot be replaced at all or within a reasonable time. That cannot be replaced at all or within a reasonable time. Number 2, number B. For example, solar energy, air, water, etc. We can use solar energy air, water, again and again. And here option B, here B part, for example fossil fuel, जीवाश्म, fossil fuel, minerals, etc. So write these differences. Number 2 is biotic and abiotic. Write it. Number 2, biotic. Abiotic. All the resources which are obtained from the biosphere and have life, जिसमें जीवन होता है उसे हम बायोटिक कहते हैं, और जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स से पाए जाते हैं इट इज कॉल्ड एबायोटिक. सो राइट ऑल द रिसोर्सेज which are obtained from the biosphere and have life. Are known as biotic resource. Resources. All the resources which are obtained from the biosphere and have life are known as biotic resources. And here are abiotic. All the resources which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources. Are the resources which are all the resources which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources. Number 2, differences. For example, in biotic, forest, livestock, etc. Livestock means पशुधन बायोटिक रिसोर्स में आते हैं. नंबर 2, इन एबायोटिक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैंड, वाटर, land and water are from the abiotic resources. So write on your copy. Number 3 is distinguish between natural resources and human resource. क्या होता है प्राकृतिक संसाधन और क्या होता है मानव संसाधन, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे. Now the third is natural resource. And difference between human resource. प्राकृतिक संसाधन और मानव संसाधन. It is naturally occurring substance that are considered valuable in their relatively modified form. यह एक प्रकृति से मिलने वाला एक नेचुरली ऑकरिंग सब्सटेंस है. राइट नेचुरल रिसोर्स. Natural resources are naturally occurring substance that are considered valuable in their relatively modified form. Number 2, human resources. When natural resources are converted into more useful form with human efforts, training are called human resources. जैसे इस नेचुरल रिसोर्स को हम दिमाग लगा करके, टेक्निक लगा करके हम कुछ मोर यूजफुल बना सकें. हम व्यक्तियों के लिए, मानव के लिए वह ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूजफुल हो जाए, उपयोगी हो जाए. नेचुरल रिसोर्स को ही, प्राकृतिक संसाधन को ही हम मॉडिफाइड करके, टेक्निक का यूज करके, ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स यूज करके कुछ बेहतर बनाए, इट इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. सो राइट, व्हेन नेचुरल resources when natural resources are converted into more when natural resources are converted into more useful form with human efforts, with human efforts or training or training are called human resource. It is also called human resource, also called man-made resource. इसे हम man-made resource भी कहते हैं. अब हम एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं इसका. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, mining, fishing, forestry, etc. खनिज से संबंधित माइनिंग, फिशिंग मछली पालन, फॉरेस्ट्री ये वनों से संबंधित है. ये इट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल रिसोर्स. एंड हियर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, निर्माण से संबंधित जितने भी काम होते हैं वो सारे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कहलाते हैं या मैन मेड रिसोर्स कहलाते हैं. स्कूल, आपका योर स्कूल आल्सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. एग्जाम्पल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट etc. Now there is a match the column. I am writing only answer. मैं सिर्फ आंसर को लिखूंगा, क्वेश्चन को नहीं लिखूंगा. अब मैं सीधे सीधे लिख दे रहा हूँ. एंड यू कैन राइट, यू कैन मैच फर्स्ट ऑन योर बुक, देन राइट ऑन द कॉपी. सो see match the following. I am writing answer. Column A. Here is column B. Renewable resources. Number 1. Renewable resources match with solar energy. You have to notice that it is direct answer. Number 2. Non-renewable resource. Match with coal. Number 3. Raw material. Number 3 is raw material match with jute. Number 4. Energy resources. Match with wood. लकड़ी से हम ईंधन का काम करते हैं, ईंधन बनाते हैं. 5. Renewable abiotic resource. Match with water. So write on your copy direct answer. Number D. Classify the following into renewable and non-renewable resources. आपको बताना है कि कौन सा renewable resource है और कौन सा non-renewable resource है. So I am again writing only answer. So you can write on your book first, then on your copy. B. Classify renewable and non-renewable. I am writing only answer. Number 1 is mineral oil. It is non-renewable resource. Number 2, wood. It is renewable resource. Number 3, soil. Soil is renewable resource. copper, तांबा. Copper is non-renewable. Number 5, livestock, पशुधन. Livestock is renewable resource. Number 6, iron ore. Iron ore is non-renewable source. Number 7, wheat. Wheat is renewable resource. Write it fast. You can also write with pausing the video. Number 7, wheat. Wheat is renewable resources. Number 8, jute. Jute is also a renewable resource. Human resource. It is also renewable resource. Number 10, solar energy. It is also renewable resource. So write fast. And now we have to solve the E. Now we are stopping this video. In next video, E, F and G, we have to solve it. Thank you very much.